to the blah, blah, blah. Yep, it's me, the composing cook. I'm wearing yellow today.
Mustard.
It's yellow.
Mustard.
It's yellow because I'm making a chocolate banana loaf.
Oh.
So bananas are yellow. So my top is yellow, okay? It was inevitable that I'm gonna make a banana loaf at some point. So here we go. Right. In my bowl here, I've got 250 grams self-raising flour, 1 level teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt, which I have put through a sieve like this. Right, that's all done. To this, I'm gonna add, I need to roll my sleeves up because I'm actually gonna have to do some work here.
No way.
Yep, I've got 150 grams caster sugar and 100 grams butter. That goes in. So using your fingertips, just rub it in like this until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. While I'm doing this, all you have to do is press the like button, press the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification button, okay? So do it now. Come on. That's it. That's good. Keep going. So that's what you're looking for, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a well in the middle, okay? And what I have here is 4 small to medium, very ripe bananas, 2 large eggs, and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. So all I have to do is beat this together, roughly, and throw that in the little hole you made. Fill that hole. Fill that hole, there we go. Look at that. See, it's all poured everywhere, but do you know, it doesn't really matter. Get in with your wooden spoon and give the whole mixture a good stir.
A good old Michael.
Nice. Now we need to add the chocolate chips, and that comes in the form of dark chocolate chips. So throw them in and stir again. There we go, look at that, that's what we're looking for. Okay, nice. Now, here is my loaf tin. I will put the measurements of my loaf tin just here, okay? What I've done is I've greased it very well, and I've lined it with some parchment paper as well. All I have to do is pour it in.
Something very satisfying using a spatula.
Then just spread it around. Spread it.
Even it out.
Even it out so it looks like
Make
this.
sure it's got no air bubbles in it.
Now, this needs to go into a preheated oven.
Oh.
My oven is set at 160 degrees fan assisted. If yours isn't, set it about 170. So, 45 minutes later, it's ready. And look at that rise. Unbelievable. Okay, what you have to do now is leave it in the tin for about 10 minutes, put it on a baking rack as well, and then we will turn it out, okay? Good. Right, let's remove it. Now, actually, to be fair, it's not even stuck at all, and it shouldn't do. But I just like to put a knife around the edge just to make sure. You might be wondering why I put the parchment paper in. That is so that I can basically now lift it out and put it there. Look at that. Look at that. Let's remove it from the parchment paper now. This now needs to cool completely, but I think you can take it all away. Right, my fellow I think we need to cut into this now, don't you? See what we have. You ready? Look at that. Look at this. Uh-huh. Look at it. Look at it! I think we need to try it. Moist, delicious, chocolatey, banana-y, make it. So there you have it. My chocolate banana bread. Make it, enjoy it, and you will love it.
And I wonder, yes I wonder what